Hello everyone, I hope you are okay today. Today we are going to talk about verb aimer, which means verb to love. So, like you know, I love, you love, he or she love, we love, you love or they love. In English, in French, it's j'aime, tu aimes, il aime, elle aime. Nous aimons, vous aimez, ils aiment, elles aiment. So when you say j'aime, it's used in two different ways. When you talk about people, you have to say je t'aime, like you want to say to your girlfriend, your boyfriends, I love you, you say je t'aime. Your mom, your dad, je t'aime maman means I love you mom. But when you want to say you love something, it's not like when you conjugate for people. You say j'aime les school means j'aime l'école, which means I like school. Okay, so tu aimes, if it you want to say you love someone, you say je t'aime, j'aime quelqu'un. Okay, tu or il, you say also tu aimes l'école or tu aimes ta femme, which means you like your wife. Nous aimons, you can say nous aimons notre maison. We like our school. Vous aimez votre parent. You love your parents. Thank you. Bye.